Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss rivers and dams. This topic is very important for both TISNET and CMAT. So before we proceed to discuss a state-wise, let us discuss some important points. So first one would be superlatives. So we have three important points here: longest, largest and highest dams. So longest dam would be Hirakund Dam on Mahanadi River in Odisha. Largest dam would be Bhakra Nangal Dam on Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh. Highest dam would be Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. One more important point would be that if you see any dam that has the same name as that of river, then in that case the state will be more important, right? Because there is no point asking. For example, Indravati River, the dam name is also Indravati, so there is very less chance of asking that what is the dam name on Indravati River because it is the same name. So in such cases, they will ask more like in which state Indravati River is or Indravati Dam is. So in this case, Odisha it is. So wherever you see that the name of dam is same as that of river, then please pay special attention to state in all those cases. Okay, now let us discuss a state wise. So for Andhra Pradesh, we have Krishna River and we have Nagarjun Sagar Dam and Sri Salem Dam. On Penna River, we have Somasila Dam and Somasila Dam. For Arunachal Pradesh, we have Rang Nadi River and same name as Rang Nadi Dam. For Bihar, we have Nagi River and Nagi Dam. For Chhattisgarh, we have Hasdev and Minimata or Hasdev Dam. For Gujarat, we have Narmada River, Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is very important. For Gujarat, we have Tapi. On Tapi River, we have Ukai or Ballabh Sagar Dam, same name. For Mahi River, we have Kadana. For Karjan, we have Karjan. So here, Nagarjun Sagar Dam would be extremely important. Then I would say this Sardar Sarovar Dam, and then this Ballabh Sagar Dam. These three are very important. Okay, so now on Himachal Pradesh, we have on Satluj River, we have Bhakra Nangal Dam. This is extremely important. On same river, we have Kold Dam and Nathpa Jakri also. These are not so important. On Beas, we have Pong Dam. On Tons River, we have Kusau. And on Ravi, Chamira Dam. In Jammu Kashmir, on Chenab, we have Baglihar Dam and Salal Dam. On Jhelum River, we have Uri Dam. On Indus River, we have Dhunkha Dam. So here I would say this one is extremely important, Bhakra Nangal Dam. And other than that, I would say this Salal Dam may be, but not as important as this one. For Jharkhand, on Damodar River, we have Panchet Dam and Tenughat Dam. On Brakar River, we have Mathon Dam, and on Subarnekha River, we have Chandil Dam. For Karnataka, on Krishna River, we have Almaty Dam. This is important. On Kali Nadi, we have Kadra Dam, Harangi. On Kaveri, we have Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. On Krishna River, we have Basawa Sagar Dam. This is also again important. On Kali River, we have Kodasali Dam. On Tungbhadra, we have Tungbhadra. So these two are extremely important, Almaty Dam and Basawa Sagar. This is also important, Krishna Raja Sagar, but not as important as these two. On Madhya Pradesh now, we have Narmada River. There we have Indira Sagar Dam and Omkareshwar Dam. On Chambal River, we have Sant Gandhi Sagar Dam. On Son River, we have Ban Sagar Dam. On Tawa, same. On Periyar, we have Idukki Arch Dam. This one is again important. Malla Periyar Dam. On Ida Maliyar, we have Ida Maliyar Dam only. On Kaki Dam, same name, Cheruthoni. And Kili Vilithot, Kulamavu Dam. So here, this Idukki Arch Dam and I would say this Gandhi Sagar Dam. These two are extremely important. On Maharashtra now we have Pench River, which is also known as Totla Do Dam. Varna, same name, Varna Dam. On Koyana we have Koyna or Kolkewadi Dam. On Penganga we have Isapur Dam. On Vatsa and Chorna River we have Vatsna Dam. In Maharashtra there is not so important. None of them are that important. In Odisha we have on Mahanadi River Hirakund Dam. This is extremely important. On Indravati, we have same name Indravati Dam. On Brahmani River, Rangali Dam. On Punjab, on Ravi River, we have Ranjit Sagar Dam. In Sikkim, Rangit River, Rangit Dam. So this Ranjit Sagar Dam is important, and this Hirakund Dam. Now let's move to Rajasthan. In Rajasthan on Chambal River we have Jawahar Sagar Dam and Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. On Banas River we have Bisalpur Dam. On Kaveri we have Mettu Dam. This is very important. On Bhavani River we have Bhavani Sagar Dam. On Paraliyar we have Perunchani Dam. In Uttar Pradesh on Betwa River we have Rajghat Dam and Matatila Dam. In Uttarakhand we have Bhagirathi River, and there we have Tehri Dam and Koteswar Dam. In West Bengal we have Kangsawati River and Kangsawati Dam. So here I would say Tehri Dam is extremely important and Mettu Dam. These two are very important. Okay, so the list is done. Let's quickly revise the important ones again. So these three are very important. Longest Hirakud Dam on Mahanadi River. Largest dam would be Bhakhara Nangal on Satluj River in Himachal. Highest dam would be Tehri on Bhagirathi in Uttarakhand. Now here Nagarjun Sagar Dam is extremely important on Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. Rang Nadi, this is in Telangana as well, I think. This is in Telangana as well. Here other than that, no, Rang Nadi is not that important. Yeah, this Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada River in Gujarat, and this Ukai or Vallabh Sagar Dam on Tapi River. So these three please go again and again. Now here we have Bhakhara Nangal Dam on Satluj River in Himachal. This is very important. And this Salal Dam to an extent you can say on Chenab River in Jammu Kashmir. Now here we have Almaty Dam on Krishna River in Karnataka. This is frequently asked in all exams. Then we have Krishna Raja Sagar Dam on Kaveri River and Basawa Sagar Dam on Krishna River in Karnataka. Okay, now here we have Gandhi Sagar Dam on Chambal River in Madhya Pradesh, and we have Idukki Arch Dam on Periyar River in Kerala. Here Hirakund Dam on Mahanadi River in Odisha, and this Ranjit Sagar Dam on Ravi River in Punjab. Again we have Mettu Dam on Kaveri in Tamil Nadu, and Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. Okay, so you can join our Telegram group. There I will put the PDF. You can quickly revise from the PDF. Okay, thank you.